Namaskaram. Besant Arundale Senior Secondary School, Tapovanam.
शन्नो मित्रशं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमां शन्महिन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि धृतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि
तन्मामवतु तन्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु भक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
It is my pleasure to invite our audience to the channel of Besant Arundale Senior Secondary School, Tapovanam. It is great efforts by Gayatri. Gayatri, say hi. And
Namaskaram and hi.
And Sujata. Sujata, say hello. And
Namaskaram.
The dedication that they have shown for the prayers, the songs, the life that we led in the school has actually been the main energy and catalyst for this channel. We hope to bring you more bonding from those days till now, and we hope that you also, if you were a part of Besant Arundale Senior Secondary School at any point in your life, join us here on this channel. Please like, share, subscribe this channel, and let's bond again in the beautiful throes of Tapovanam. Gayatri, good evening, and Sujata, good evening to you again. Tell me what actually channelized you to make this into a forum. What was happening?
Okay, so we have been a part of our school, Besant Arundale Senior Secondary School, and today, whatever we are, it is only because we grew up there. And the memories of the school can never be so lively and fresh like our school days. And when I see my children growing up in a different, completely different situation today, I feel sorry for them because they are not able to enjoy their childhood like the way we enjoyed in our school. So myself and my classmate Sujata, we have been like buddies since kindergarten till the 12th, and we still continue our friendship and for the past 4 decades. So our thought was to share this knowledge and this happiness that we feel when we think about our school. Not only the music or the dance and the art part of it, but the life values that we have inherited invariably from our seniors, their seniors, and the teachers, and our next generation, and the surroundings and the happiness we want to share. Whatever we have felt, we wanted it to be passed on. And I wanted this to be archived forever because I have lost so much of my mother's treasures. And now I don't want the next generation to lose it. So it was Sujata's idea to why don't we just sit and record the songs first and then let's see what happens. So that is how this was initiated. And I'm so happy it has started rolling on a very beautiful, smooth floor.
Sujata.
Thanks, Gayatri. That was very nice. And yes, myself and Gayatri, we have studied together from kindergarten up to 12th standard. And I have sung for many of her dance programs in the school. And I still remember whenever there used to be some function or some school day function or some inter-school functions, they just used to come and say, come, we learn something, we'll go sing, we'll go dance and come. So this is how we grew. And I still remember my parents were not asked, no permission to sing, no permission to dance, no permission for the extra hours that we used to spend to learn music or dance or anything for that matter. And the teachers were also, they used to take liberty to teach, and we used to take liberty to demand. from them, and we have learned on the go. We can say that we know 40 songs, 50 songs, including Varnams, Geetams, everything. Bharatiyar Day, we can say we know minimum 20, 25 Bharatiyar songs. And I think this group also, many of us, we don't know each other. We have not seen each other for that matter. So I think only this Tapovanam platform has brought all of us together. I think this should grow, as Shambhavi Akka said, this Tapovanam group should grow, and this music that we have learned, music and any form of art that we have learned during our school days, and still children are still learning there, that should reach everybody. And I would like to just quote one song. I don't know if I can say it a song. I don't know even if these generations, the children know about this. Whenever my son or my daughter sings Sarigama Padanisa, I remember how they have taught us. For example, they have taught us like the meaning of Sarigama Padanisa like this. Sa 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 என்று சஜ்ஜமத்தில் பாடு, ரீ 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 என்று ரிஷபத்தில் பாடு, கா 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 என்று காந்தாரத்தில் பாடு, மா 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 என்று மத்தியமத்தில் பாடு, பா 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 என்று பஞ்சமத்தில் பாடு, தா 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 என்று தைவதத்தில் பாடு, நீ 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 என்று நிஷாதத்தில் பாடு, தா நீ தா பா மா க ரீ சா. I think, Gayatri, if you remember, we were 7 or 8 years old when we learned this.
So this song, I have made it a part of my school's curriculum, and I teach it for all my second grade children. Every annual day, it is like a family song because it teaches not only the Saptaswaras but also the 4 Talam. Takita 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 tishra nadayil talam, துள்ளி ஓடி ஆடி பாட ஏற்ற எளிய தாளம், தக்க திம்மி தக்க ஜுண்ணு தக்க திம்மி தக்க ஜுண் சதுஷ்ர நடையில் தாளம், ஒன்றாய் சேர்ந்து அனைவரும் பாடிற நன்றாய் விளங்கும் தாளம், தக்க தக்கிட்ட கண்ட நடை தாளம், வீரமுடன் வெற்றி நடை போடும் ஒரு தாளம், தக்கிட்டு தக்க திம்மி மிஸ்ர நடையில் தாளம், தாலாட்டு பாடியே தூங்க வைக்கும் தாளம், ஆராரோ ஆராரோ ஆராரோ. So that is BASS School Tapovanam. That is what it has done to us.
It's so beautiful. I'm enjoying the interaction, and I don't even need to say anything. Your joy, the passion, what Besant Arundale Senior Secondary School meant to us, what was Tapovanam to us, it's so obvious. This is again a call to everyone to please join us. Please send us message through the channel, through your friends. Call everybody and let us go back, revisit our beautiful days of fun, laughter, and joy, which was just pure from the heart. That's all. So thank you very much, Gayatri, and thank you very much, Sujata. We'll say bye now to our audience for today. Namaskarams, and thank you.
Yes, thank you so much for this opportunity, and let us grow together. Let the Tapovanam spread far and wide and bring everybody into its beautiful folded arms once again.
Like the roots of the banyan tree which go so deep. Yeah, so like the roots of the banyan tree which grow so deep, we can never take off Tapovanam from our life. So we'll see you again in the next episode. Till then, Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.